He's like, all these balls, I want this white one.
I want the little ping pong ball. Get these away from me.
Like, what the fuck? I just spilled it now.
Sai, what are you doing?
Sai!
Do you like it?
Bop it. Pull it. I'm not gonna bop you, man. Shout it. Ah!
He's done. Careful. Maybe not.
I might end up blowing cigs off right here. Did you hear me, Cody?
What are you doing?
Woo! Don't aim it at me and try it. I don't want to find out that way.